Okay guys, right now it is a crazy weather. Grey clouds, they look so 3D. Do you see the edge? Wait. Do you see that? It is literally so windy. It's so windy I can't even explain. Look at the mic. That mind that house. Let's go. But just look at the weather. It's so beautiful. Okay. Show you. Sorry if you see any. Weather is super nice and like really positively for me. It's really positive. I'm always like I'm on my sorry. Sorry, I was holding the phone this way. I'm always positive when basically like it rains. And it looks like it's about to rain. I'm not lying. Oh sorry. Sorry guys that I'm holding the camera a bit crooked these days. These days my hand is kind of crooked for some reason. Not my finger, but my camera hand placement. Do you see I see the cloud moving. Do y'all see that? Do you see the cloud moving? Literally see the cloud moving. Sorry about the wall. It's kind of old. Wait, let me move this chair aside. Okay. Really nice weather, by the way. I just wanted to touch up on you guys. Look at above. I just wanted to like touch up on you guys because yes, I haven't made a video in a long time. But sorry about that. I love look up there. Just tell me how beautiful it looks. It's really nice. But make sure to like, subscribe and follow me on TikTok, and I will keep touching up on you guys. I haven't been making videos recently because I was busy. School started. Oh well. Okay, it's kind of raining like lately, and my shirt is flying. Guys, look at the grass. Okay, it's raining. I feel raindrops. Look at the grass. Look at the grass. It's so pretty. So pretty. I'm walking backwards. Oh wow, I'm walking backwards. I'm kind of scared. Clouds are moving. You can't see it on camera, but if you guys have the same rainy weather like here, then you guys will notice that the clouds are actually moving. Let me zoom in so you guys can see the rain. I don't think I can see the rain, but I don't think you guys can see. If any of you live in the area I'm living, then you probably will experience this weather right now. So pretty. Usually when it rains, I usually go outside. Oh, I have some proof. Oh, it's raining. Raining heavily, see? Kind of heavily, but not that much. you will see that it is raining. Okay guys, I'm gonna wait. Yes, poop. Okay guys, I'm gonna peace out and enjoy this beautiful weather. I will make sure to touch upon you guys next time. Bye.